Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm walking you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to file your taxes online with TurboTax for 2025. Whether you're a first-time filer or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will make sure you get it done efficiently and without stress. Stick with me until the end and you'll feel confident about submitting your taxes. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. If you're a returning user, just log in with your credentials. If you're brand new, you'll need to create an account using your email and a secure password. After signing in, you'll land on your tax home, which is your main dashboard. Think of this as your control center where you can access everything related to your filing process. The next step is to go into the My Info section. This is where you'll input all of your personal details, your name, current address, and social security number. Accuracy here is absolutely critical because even a small mistake can lead to processing delays or rejected returns. Once that's filled out, TurboTax gives you the chance to review and edit your information. Don't skip this. Double check everything for typos, especially things like your social security number and date of birth. If you spot something off, you can easily go back to My Info and fix it before moving forward. Next, head to the Personal Profile tab. Here you'll answer some simple but important questions about your tax situation, like your employment status, sources of income, and whether you have dependents. Be as thorough and honest as possible because this is what determines your eligibility for certain deductions and credits, and ultimately affects how much you'll owe or get back in a refund. Now comes the part most people worry about, filing the actual tax return. TurboTax's platform will guide you through each section step by step. You'll either upload documents like your W-2s or 1099s or manually input the numbers if you don't have digital copies. As you go, TurboTax will also ask about deductions and credits you might qualify for, like education expenses, retirement contributions, or childcare. Once all of your information is in, the software will calculate everything for you and show whether you owe taxes or are due for a refund. Before you submit, take one final moment to carefully review your return to make sure nothing was missed. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can e-file directly through TurboTax. You'll get a confirmation when your return has been submitted and you can track the status right from your account. So, filing your taxes online with TurboTax in 2025 doesn't have to be stressful. Follow these steps, stay accurate, and you'll be done faster than you think. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about the process. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your filing.